ASUS ZenFone 5Z, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. At the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here let's open the list of all apps, choose settings. From the following list, let's find here and select system. Now let's choose languages and input and choose here language preferences. So right now in my case I'm using English from United States, but in order to change language I need to tap add a language, and here you've got the whole list of available languages that you can use on your device. For example, in my case, let me choose Espanol from España, for example, and as you can see now I can place Espanol into the first position, and now the whole list of settings and also apps, so basically the whole system is in Spanish. Now to go back to previous version, so to the English one, let's choose Ajustes, let's choose here Sistema, tap Idiomas y Traducción de Texto, tap Preferences de Idioma and place English into the first position. Alright, so now you can use the English system. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.